They were here before us and live here beside us. Flying, swimming, roaming, surviving. Every species, from the smallest insect to the largest blue whale, has a role to play in the delicate balance of life. Today, that balance is in jeopardy, and that's where you come in. Developers, engineers, and creators, hear this call. This is the Edge AI Challenge, a global competition to design real-world solutions that protect our planet. From incredible AI-powered cameras to low-powered environmental sensors to drones scanning the land, sea, and air, you'll use edge intelligence to listen, learn, and respond, all in real time. By combining state-of-the-art edge computing with environmental sensor data like sound, motion, climate, and soil analysis, we can improve our understanding of how ecosystems thrive, how they can be protected, and even restored. With neuromorphic vision chips, microcontrollers, and real-time inference, your tools are as cutting edge as your mission is important. Your solutions as varied as these ecosystems themselves. Track endangered species. Monitor forest health. Watch coral reefs breathe. Your ideas have the power to transform conservation from reactive to proactive. This is not a challenge to take alone. Join over 2 million makers on Hackster, a worldwide community of collaborators, mentors, and technologists. Get exclusive access to help, tools, tutorials, and expert guidance every step of the way. Are you ready to take intelligence to the edge? Apply now. Build something that matters. Become a guardian of the earth.
Hey everyone, my name is Jeff Reed. I'm a technology executive and I live just north of Yellowstone National Park, and I spend a lot of my time on wildlife conservation. So thanks for participating in this contest. And there are 4 things that I see that conservation tech can do. There are lots, but these are the 4 that interest me the most. The first is to improve field science. Wildlife biologists have a tough job, not a lot of money. So if you're going to build a solution, build something that saves them time. For example, if you're building tech, they don't have electrical outlets to plug things into. They need long battery life so they can leave the tech out there for a long time and they don't have to spend their time servicing them. The second sort of conservation tech you can build incents private landowners. For example, if you could build a solution that helped a rancher monitor their water tank while also monitoring for the wildlife that they create habitat for, it would be a great thing for private landowners. The third thing you could do is build a solution that combats wildlife crime. We're in a war to a certain extent, and AI can be used for either good or for bad. So if you're going to build a conservation tech solution with AI, think about things that you could build that would help wildlife managers combat wildlife crime. For example, could you build a gunshot detector that runs real time off a battery-operated device? The fourth thing you can do is build devices that I like to call building the digital wild and invigorating the next generation of wildlife defenders. If you can build a device that tells stories, both audio and video or telemetry, about the amazing biodiversity that's still struggling to hold on in the planet, you would go a long ways to getting other people to support your solution. So good luck. I wish you the best, and I look forward to seeing what you build. Thank you.